Something else I remember from our first year living as missionaries in Jamaica was how often we got sick. We literally had a stomach bug every 6 weeks that first year. I'm not sure if it's the humidity or just the fact that we were in a new place, and so our body wasn't used to all the resident bugs. I suspect that's part of it. Also, food safety was very different, especially in the country. But we were dealing with a stomach bug, every 6 weeks the first year we were there. And I remember after we'd been there a couple of months, my mom calling all of us kids in one at a time to weigh us on her scale because she wanted to make sure we weren't losing too much weight. And I remember her giving us worm tablets to make sure that we weren't getting worms from anything we had eaten, which we never did, but it was a possibility, and it was something that our bodies weren't used to, so we were just watching that. But I remember coming down with a stomach bug on my very first birthday there in January, that I was sitting there and my mom had made this huge Herculean effort to make homemade pizza for us because we missed pizza. There was no pizza where we were. And she made it from scratch. She didn't know how to make any of that before she moved there, but she figured it out and had made fresh pizza from scratch, and it didn't taste like the pizza at home from Pizza Hut. As an adult now, I'm like, dude, it was so much better. But as a kid, I wanted my Domino's or my Pizza Hut. And she had put in all this effort to make this homemade pizza for us and to make my birthday special in spite of the fact that we were in a totally new place and nothing familiar was there. And I remember sitting there while they were singing happy birthday, and we were going to blow out the candle on my cake, and feeling so nauseated, and my mom insisting that I had to smile for the picture because, film was expensive, cameras were rare, and this was probably the only picture she was going to get of me on my birthday, maybe for even several months, and feeling so miserable that I just felt really angry that she wanted me to smile for this picture because I felt like I was going to be sick. And sure enough, about an hour later, I was sick, and I was sick for the rest of the day. And did I want to eat the pizza that she slaved over for hours? Nope. Couldn't touch our homemade pizza for like a year and a half because I had just been sick. So that was fun.